In this demo, you'll see how content editors can rapidly create multi-language, personalized pages using templates in Squiz's Visual Page Builder. You'll see how this allows teams to build at scale while giving admins full control over brand consistency through built-in governance guardrails. So let's get right into it. Here's the scenario. Acme's marketing team is planning an event in 5 weeks. They know they need at least 4 weeks promotion time, which puts the team under pressure, with only a day to build and launch the event page. I'm about to show you how Joey, the content editor, builds this page in record time using a pre-built template. But before we get into Joey's workflow, let me show you how easy it was for Tina, the marketing manager, to create that template in the first place. Here's the event page template that the marketing manager Tina created for content editors to use. It comes with a hero banner, registration form, speaker section, and event location. The template builder uses a very intuitive interface, so non-technical users can create templates without any developer support. See this forms section here? Tina built this using the layouts feature. As you can see, the ratio is 60% for the left column and 40% for the right. Instead of asking a dev to create a custom 2-column component with text and a form in a 60-40 split, Tina simply used layouts to add the exact components she needed here. This gives marketing teams much more flexibility to create structured sections without developer dependency. Now, to ensure consistency across all event pages, content editors like Joey can't reorder or delete components when they're using these templates. But what Tina has included in this template is a page manage zone that gives content editors like Joey the flexibility to add approved components when needed, and this helps to maintain brand control while allowing for customization. Now let's see Joey in action. Joey starts with a blank page. There is no template applied at the moment, but if she clicks here, she can see all the templates that her admins have created to help her get started fast. In this case, she is building an event page, so she applies the registration page template that Tina has created. From here, Joey replaces the placeholder content with content that is specific to this event. Since this is a visual page builder, it's as simple as editing directly in the preview section. However, Joey needs to add an extra component for this specific event, a networking and social events section. Earlier, we saw that Tina had included a page manage zone where content editors can add additional text, components, or layouts as they need. And if we click in to add a component, we can see that there are only 3 to choose from. In this case, Tina has configured the available components to just these 3 options, ensuring content editors have flexibility within defined brand guidelines. So Joey decides to add a section title and an image component so that she can add networking event visuals and content. Notice here that it's only the components within this page manage zone that have drag handles that allow Joey to reorder or delete components. She can't touch anything else on the page. Again, this is the governance layer ensuring the core event registration structure stays intact and consistent across all events. Once Joey's finished building this page in English, she notices the visual page builder shows her that there is still some translation work to do on the page. The page builder clearly indicates which language versions need attention, so she can efficiently manage all her variants in one place. In this case, it's the Mandarin Chinese variant that is still incomplete, since they are expecting attendees from the Chinese customer base. Joey can click into the Chinese variant and update the hero banner and the form with the translated content. You'll notice in the page outline that there are icons that make it easy for content editors to quickly identify which components still need translation work. The ones we've just translated are in the completed state, while those that still need to be translated show the unfinished state. If we skip ahead and finish translating all the components, you'll see that the icon here also indicates that all the translation work has been done. Now that her pages are ready in both languages, Joey wants to personalize the experience for different audience segments. Using customer data that has directly been integrated from Tealium, she wants to create a version of the networking component that targets C-level executives. Here, she'll simply select the segment she wants to personalize for, in this case, executives. She'll select the networking component and duplicate it so that she can then tailor the content for just this executive segment. So this purple outline here indicates that a personalized variant has been created for this component. Now, Joey is going to update the copy to highlight the exclusive executive dinner and the challenges of leading at scale. And she'll also change the image to reflect the executive dinner. Perfect. Now the event page is complete with personalized and translated content and ready to publish. Joey can publish the page within her one-day deadline. Now, a few days after launching the event page, Joey gets bad news. The venue discovered they double booked the space for the networking event, so it has to be cancelled. She quickly removes the entire networking section from the page. However, later on the venue calls back. The other event cancelled, so the networking event is back on. Rather than manually re-adding the networking component and all its translations and personalization across both the English and Chinese versions, Joey can simply go to her version history to roll back to the previously published version. She finds the right version, reviews the content to make sure, and clicks restore. There's a quick warning message that asks her to confirm what will happen once the previous version is restored, and voila, just a few clicks, and the page is restored with all the networking content, translations, and personalization intact across all language variants. And that's how Joey can build a complete, personalized event page in multiple languages, all within her one-day deadline and without any developer support.